Hi there and welcome to Traveling Flamingo. Today we're going to give you a tour of our stateroom. We were on the 14th deck of the Norwegian Breakaway and we had a balcony suite. We did bid for the thermal spa suite. However, it didn't change the balcony type. We just got access to the thermal suite. So if you're taking this ship and you booked a balcony, you can pretty well expect it to look like this. So we'll show you what that stateroom looks like coming right up. This is room 14718 on the Norwegian Breakaway. It's a balcony suite with spa access. So let me first show you the washroom over here. So this is the restroom area. They've got quite a bit of storage space. Up here you can sort of see they've got some areas for you to store your personal items against the mirror, and a little bit more here next to the toilet. On the right side of the vanity, you've also got hand soap, along with a different spot for you to put your toothbrush, shavers, and so forth. You've got tissue paper over here, and on this side you've also got the shower. So in the shower you have hand soap, which I find slightly interesting, along with body soap, and you can probably be about 6'5" and fit comfortably underneath the shower. Over on this side, you've got your little table here where you can put a bunch of different stuff that you want to store. You've got a coffee pot, which is very nice. You've also got 2 European and 2 North American outlets, so you can decide which ones you want to use or bring a power adapter. We use this USB power adapter right here, which we can link below, which allows us to charge a bunch of different USB-based devices. And then below that, you've got a little mini bar. The mini bar has a bunch of different soda pops, along with different alcohols. So your choice on what you'd want there. There's also a little seat down here, which is nice if you want to get your work done. There is no back though, so it could be a little sore for you, along with a wastebasket and your hair dryer. Over here you've got some additional storage, you can see here, as well as a safe that can probably hold about a 12 or 13 inch laptop. I think you're probably pushing it with a 15 inch. And then on this side is where all your hangers are. These are hangers that are connected to the rod, so they're a little annoying to use, but they work. And then on this side you've got your couch. There is some storage below the couch, which is very nice. However, it's mostly used by stuff for Norwegian, so your additional sort of bed sheets and so forth. And then down here you've got a little bit of additional storage, and over here you do as well, which again is very nice. You've got a fairly small TV by today's standards, however it works. There is no CNN, there is Fox News and MSNBC, so if those are channels that matter to you, then just an FYI. There's also a bunch of, there's one TV station and one movie station. Over here is the bed, and the bed has this additional spot up above where you can put some additional storage. There's also lights on the left and right. There are switches for those. And lastly, the side tables. The side tables are pretty small. This is a, they put together the 2 singles. If you have it separate as 2 individual beds, they'll probably be in the middle. And then over this way you have the balcony. So the switch for the light above is right here. And then to open the door, you've got this, so you have to crank this down, which lifts it off the rail. And then over here, there's a little bit of a security knob that locks the door, that unlocks the door. Then you can pull the door. Here's the balcony. We are close to the front, as you can see. And here's the back. So there you have it. That is the Norwegian Breakaway's balcony suite. I'll show you one more view from here. There you go. Thank you very much. Western Caribbean cruise on the Norwegian Breakaway. Hope you enjoyed this video. Really do hope that you sail on this ship. It's a wonderful ship. So please give us a thumbs up if you like this video, comment below, and have a great day and happy travels.